YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to publish your Replit AI project. So guys, if you are using the Replit AI agent for creating any projects like website, Android app, and you want to publish it, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply logged in and complete your project. Okay, when your project is complete, you simply just go through the option of here, it's tools and files. Okay, and here you see the option of direct publish. Okay, now you just go here, tools and files, and here you see the option of publish a shareable version of your app. So just click it, and now it asks you some domain. So this is your current domain. If you want to your own domain, so guys, you need to purchase a premium version of this application. Okay, now who can access your app? So just password protected and invited only, and the public one. So for publishing we are using the public, and guys, here you see the option of publish, and click the option of publish. When you click it, your app is published, and here it's preparing, and first provision, then security scanning, then build, bundle, and prompts. And if you want to check the logs, so guys, you simply go here and it shows all the logs during creation. Okay, if you find any error during the logs, so you just copy the error and paste it into the this text bar, and you just solve the problem. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.